Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful video editing software used by professionals worldwide. But did you know you can turn your Premiere Pro skills into a lucrative income stream? In this 5-minute review, we'll explore how to earn money using Adobe Premiere Pro. First, let's consider freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms to offer your video editing services. Create a compelling portfolio showcasing your best work and start bidding on projects. As you build a reputation, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Another avenue is creating and selling video templates. Many content creators look for pre-made intros, transitions, and effects to enhance their videos. Design eye-catching templates in Premiere Pro and sell them on marketplaces like Motion Array or Envato Elements. This passive income stream can grow over time as you add more templates to your collection. YouTube presents another opportunity. Start a channel focusing on Premiere Pro tutorials, tips, and tricks. As your subscriber base grows, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Share your knowledge and earn money while helping others improve their editing skills. Corporate video production is a lucrative field. Many businesses need promotional videos, training materials, and social media content. Reach out to local companies or connect with marketing agencies to offer your Premiere Pro expertise. This can lead to steady, well-paying projects. Wedding videography is another profitable niche. Couples are willing to invest in high-quality wedding videos. Use Premiere Pro to create stunning emotional edits that capture their special day. Word-of-mouth referrals can help you build a thriving business in this sector. To get started, focus on developing your Premiere Pro skills. Take online courses, practice regularly, and stay updated with the latest features and trends. Build a diverse portfolio that showcases different editing styles and techniques. Network with other professionals in the industry. Join online communities, attend local meetups, and participate in video editing forums. These connections can lead to job opportunities and valuable insights. Invest in quality equipment to complement your Premiere Pro skills. A powerful computer, ample storage, and potentially a color-accurate monitor will enhance your workflow and the quality of your output. Remember, success won't come overnight. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve your craft. As you gain experience and build your reputation, your earning potential with Adobe Premiere Pro will grow. In summary, Adobe Premiere Pro offers numerous opportunities to earn money. From freelancing and creating templates to YouTube tutorials and corporate video production, the possibilities are vast. With dedication, skill development, and smart marketing, you can turn your passion for video editing into a profitable career using this versatile software.